Hello, Hastings staff. So conference started about 2 hours, so I know you're going to love watching this video, hearing something might be wrong with your gradebook. So I'll kind of show you the issue here and then explain why that's not right mathematically. So here's my gradebook. Everything looks to be fine. Formative is 20%, summative is 80%, except when I go to my gradebook, let's say I have one assignment in there worth 100 points. This person got 100 out of 100, and then another assignment in there worth 10 points, and they didn't do it, so they have a 0 out of 10. The Schoology Gradebook is calculating that as a 50%. They're just taking 100% here and 0% here and averaging it to a 50%, even though the points here are 100 points and 10 points. So in your gradebook, you have to do this for all your classes if it is set incorrectly. Once you click on a category, you want it to be calculated by total points and not by percent. So make sure that your formative and summative are calculated by total points and not by percent. So now if I go back to the gradebook, now it is calculating correctly where she has 100 on this assignment and a 0 on this assignment. So really 100 out of 110 gives her a 90.91. So it might be a good idea to check that out before conferences, before we give parents a misinterpretation or a incorrect grade.